So GM has been working for over 10 years now with over 100 financial services institutions. And we've worked specifically with lots of those firms in this area of regulation, risk resiliency and regulation. And we've learned lots of lessons along the way. And I think you've heard between the three of us today that we've dedicated a lot of our time thinking very carefully about how we best package up and provide access to the DORA 360 platform. So to directly answer the question, it's a modular platform. We have the ability to turn on or not, as the case may be, various modules if the client requires those or not. So for example, John's mentioned risk management. We've heard incident management, and also we've heard about learning and training. So if a client already has a GRC platform, they already have an incident management platform, or they already have a training and learning platform, then we can link into those via the data hub that John referred to. Also, the Magpie AI is a module that can be used to help streamline and to accelerate the work to perform the gap analysis and the ongoing compliance assessments. So we very much wanted to work with clients in a way that wasn't replicating what they already have. It was enhancing that, but providing the facilities to really help them accelerate their approach to compliance to DORA. And I think, if you look at this more holistically, the cost of doing business is increasing exponentially for organizations with multiple compliance, multiple costs of managing risks in their systems, in their processes across their supply chain. So we've thought very carefully on the design and the deployment of DORA 360. And I think, as you'd have heard from John and Vinod collectively, there's a lot of automation and workflow and audit trail and oversight and reporting built into the system. So no longer do you need to do a paper chase trail. No longer do you need to send out multiple emails to try and chase up outstanding actions. This is all automated, and you can have visibility of the overdue items. You can have visibility of the areas of the DORA articles that are currently not covered through the use of the software. So A, very modular. B, it can allow you to automate and streamline your journey to compliance for DORA, but also it can bring into play all of the various systems that you already have access to and are using. So for example, integrations into ServiceNow, Remedy, Archer, GRC, they're all possible using the software. What we are seeing is also a number of firms using this opportunity to replace legacy platforms. And there seems to be a bit of a trend on legacy GRC. And I think what firms are realizing now is that their current GRC platform may not be fit for purpose or isn't fit for purpose to also extend across the resilience agenda that DORA is very prescriptive about. So they're using this opportunity to bring in a modern GRC platform, extending that to include resiliency. And of course, that is one of the modules that DORA 360 provides in that situation. We have worked recently with the UK financial services institution, and within a 4-month period, we actually replaced their legacy GRC, extended that to include resiliency. So they now have a full DORA compliant application. And that was a replacement project for a fairly significant UK firm. So that gives a bit of a timescale of the possible element of work required, but also the ability to make sure that you are building something which is not fit for purpose for tomorrow, but fit for purpose for the next 5 to 10 years. So modularization, integration capabilities, and also the ability to replace legacy. So you have that ongoing sustainability for your DORA and other compliance regulations as well.